Hey there, this is Coach Darcy Eichenberg from RedCapeRevolution.com with a special message to my administrative professional friends at Kite Pharma. I'm so excited to be invited to come and speak to your group on August 24th when we're going to do our online, interactive, fun, and fast workshop, Communicating Your Value while you're doing everything else. Now, I know you're busy. I know finding time for professional development is hard, but this is exactly why this is the perfect time for you to make this commitment and join us on the 24th. You see, you probably know this, right? You're so focused in what you do on taking care of everybody else. You're taking care of your teams, your leaders, your colleagues, and then there's all the stuff that you're doing at home, right? And all the things that have thrown a wrench into our world in the past couple of years. I mean, there's so much to manage. But when we're managing everything else, things that I know you're doing beautifully, what ends up happening is that the person who you don't pay any attention to is you. The person who needs that little extra boost, that little extra bit of support is the person that you look at in the mirror every day. So I really want to urge you, make the time to come to our workshop. In it, here's what we're going to do. We will talk about how you can communicate your value, maybe even understand the value that you bring in ways you haven't thought about before. And knowing your value, being able to communicate your value does a couple things. Not only does it make you valuable at your work, right? But it creates the situation where if you're ready to ask for more opportunities or you want to grow, or maybe you just want to be recognized, you want to have a voice at the table to contribute more, or maybe you just simply want to advocate for more rewards or a different working situation. All of these things can't happen when you are not talking about your value, when you're not even aware of the value that you bring. So I promise you, this workshop will be fast and fun. We'll also get a chance to interact a little bit, to connect, but not in a way that'll make you uncomfortable, just in a way that lets you be able to maybe meet one other person you haven't met, or see somebody on screen that you haven't had a chance to see for a while. Plus, here's a bonus. I have a new book coming out in October called Red Cape Rescue: Save Your Career Without Leaving Your Job. It's a fun, fast guide of all sorts of things that you can do, things you control to be able to make what you're doing, to make your work even better for you. And so when you attend our workshop, we're going to make sure that you're among one of the first that get a special advanced copy of it. And we're going to send that directly to you later in the year, but before it comes out for everybody else. So it's a special bonus just for my friends at Kite Pharma. So, you with me? Please join us on the 24th. I know it's hard to take time away, but here's what I know about you: you deserve it. I'm Coach Darcy Eichenberg of RedCapeRevolution.com. I can't wait to see you on the 24th. Bye for now.